So for Epic, you're going to put in Epic in the browser bar, and I already have it set up right now. So once you put in getepic.com/students, this will come up, and you can press class code and you'll see this part here, and you'll see a variety of classes that are already something that you may have logged into. If you do not see your class code, then just disregard this part and type in the class code that I gave you. And after you type that in, you press go, and it will go ahead to Epic. Then you will be able to see your character. So I made up a character. There's a guest student that is already there, but I made up one already named Susan. So I go ahead and type on or press on my own name, and you will be in Epic. You will see different types of things here. Let me move this over a little. So you'll see if you hover over this area right here, you will see an arrow where you can press it and it'll go through different books so that you have access, and on the other side there is the same, so you can go back and forth. There is DRA, where that is your level of books, and I will be giving you your DRA score after I have assessed you on reading. So once you know which level of reading you are, you will be able to click on DRA and scroll through the books that you are able to read. So if I am DRA 3, I wouldn't go to 28 through 34. I would go to the one that had 3 within it. So 8 through 14 does not have 3, but A1 through 6 does. So I would click on that, and I would see off to the side, let me move that over, I would see off to the side that there is a DRA A1. Well, that's not me. So I would keep scrolling down, and I would see DRA 2. Not quite. Oh, well, there is DRA 3. So I would be saying that that is me. So I would be able to look through the variety of books and read them. Some of them will say read to me, and those are the books identified where it would read it out loud to you. I would not want to go to DRA 4 because that would be a little bit too hard for me, and I would not want to go to DRA 2 because that would be a little bit too easy. So it's important to read the books that are just right for you. That way you build up your reading skills, and over time you will be able to increase your reading level score, and you would be able to have access to other books that are a higher level. Here's DRA 6. Ooh, these are something that I would love to be able to read, but because I am a DRA 3, I need to stick with mine first. And if I get good enough, then I can go on to something else once my teacher says so. Okay, so that is how you would gain access to EPIK. On here, I'm going to look through and I'm going to find a book that I think I would like. What other books? Oh, that's right. I already looked at the book that I was looking at that was for coloring. It had different colors, so I'm not able to access that book anymore. But I like farm animals. Who lives on a farm? That one looks interesting. So I would go ahead and click on it, and you would see a little description of the book. It would show right here the level that you would be at. So this is level 3, so that is just right for me. And then I would start being able to read the book. Who lives on a farm? Well, let's go ahead and look. Oh, well, look. There is a little arrow. When you hover over with the cursor, there's an arrow that tells you that you can flip the page. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the page, and you will see another picture with words. We see cows on a on a farm. There is a period here. Interesting. So I would go ahead and continue looking through and reading the book. I'm going to go ahead and skip through it because I do not want to do all of the reading for you. I want you to be able to do it. So here is a variety of words that you will see in the book. You would be pointing and saying each of these words. Why won't it go? There. So now this is the end of the book. It'll show the book that I just read, and it'll have finish book. Well, you can press finish book so that you can make sure that it records that you've already finished the book, and you can also do a little quiz right here. So I see a variety that is in with this section of the books. So there is a variety of different things that I can look at in this series. But if you tap on it, you need to make sure that you look at the level that it is showing. This is a level 10 book. So if I'm a 3, I would never want to read a level 10 because that would absolutely drive me bonkers because it would be way, way too hard. So just make sure that you look at that level of reading. That way you don't go outside of your reading level before you're ready. And I'm going to move this over. There is a little X mark right here. So if I went into this and I said, oh no, that's too high of a level, I would be able to click on this little X in the corner and it will take me back to the beginning. Okay? So just remember that as you read, I will actually have access to what you are reading. I will see what you have read, how many minutes you have read. So just be aware of that I will be keeping track. It's not just to go on here and play around. You need to be actually reading so that you improve your reading levels. So that is how you get onto Epic and use Epic. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I hope that it's useful. Thank you.